Hey everyone, if your iPhone isn't updating to iOS 26, then don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, I will walk you through the most common reasons why iOS updates fail and share step-by-step fixes to get your iPhone updated successfully. First things first, make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS version you're trying to install, in this case iOS 26. Apple usually drops support for older models when it releases a major iOS update. Check the link in description to find out if your iOS device is compatible with iOS 26 or not. Next up, storage. Updates require several gigabytes of free space. If you're running low on storage, go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can see all the information about your iPhone storage. Delete unused apps, photos, or old messages to clear up some space. Then try downloading the update once again. Software updates won't install unless your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi connection and at least 50% battery or is connected to a charger. So make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug your iPhone into its charger before trying again. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Hold down the power button and either the volume up or down button for a few seconds and then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn the device back on. After restarting, head back to the Settings app, tap on General, then on Software Update and then install the update once again. If the over-the-air update still doesn't work, you can update using a computer. Connect your iOS device to a Mac or Windows PC, open Finder or iTunes, select your device, and click Check for Update. You can also use your computer to perform a clean install of iOS 26 on your device. You can find the link to the complete guide in the description of this video. Another fix is resetting network settings, especially if your Wi-Fi is acting up. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, you have to tap on Reset, and finally tap on Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Here's another common issue. If you're not seeing the iOS 26 update on your iPhone, your device might still be on the iOS 18 beta program. To fix this, head over to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Here, tap on Beta Updates and select the Off option. After that, force quit the Settings app from the app switcher, reopen it and check for updates again. This should make iOS 26 show up. And finally, if nothing works, you may need to back up your iPhone and perform a full restore using Finder or iTunes. This erases your device and installs the latest iOS version from scratch. It's a bit of work, but it usually solves the stubborn update issues. Again, a link to complete guide is given in the description of this video. So that's it, 8 proven fixes for when your iPhone refuses to update. Try these in order and you should be running the latest version of iOS in no time. Once you have installed the iOS 26 update, make sure to check our iOS 26 tips and tutorials. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let us know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.